In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Grok AI plans and features. Settings Guide 2026. We'll walk through the quickest way to reach the plan comparison inside Grok and highlight what to look for so you can decide which option fits your needs. By the end, you'll know exactly where the comparison lives and how to read it with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to grok.com. Use the official site, and if you're on a shared computer, consider a private window to keep things tidy. You can explore plans without signing in, but logging in is helpful if you want your preferences or any trial choices to stick to your account. If you choose to log in, do it the usual way through the secure sign-in page. This part is fast. Enter your credentials or use your preferred single sign-on method. Being signed in simply ensures anything you preview or start, like a trial, gets associated with the right workspace. Once you're on the homepage, you'll land in the Grok AI interface. Take a brief moment to confirm you're in the main dashboard so the navigation elements appear where we expect them. Look toward the bottom left corner of the sidebar for your profile icon. It might appear as your avatar or initials. Click that icon to open the account menu. This menu is where Grok groups key account controls, so it's the quickest route to billing and plan details. From that menu, choose Upgrade Plan. In some layouts, this may appear as Plans, Billing, or Upgrade. Any of these will take you to the same place, the page where you can review what's included at each tier. Here you'll see the plan options grouped for individuals and for businesses. Use the tabs or headers to switch between individual and business views. Now, compare the details side by side. Look for usage limits such as message caps or model access, availability of advanced tools, and whether features like file uploads, code execution, or data analysis are included. For teams, pay attention to seat counts, workspace roles, admin controls, and sign-in options. If compliance or data handling matters to you, scan for security notes, data retention, export options, and privacy controls. Also check support levels, response times, priority queues, or a dedicated contact can make a big difference. Finally, review billing cadence and total value. Annual plans may offer a discount, while monthly plans provide flexibility. If there's a trial, note its limits and when it converts. Be sure your currency and tax details look correct before you proceed anywhere else. That's it. You now know how to navigate to the Grok plan page from your profile menu and evaluate individual versus business features clearly, so you can make an informed decision when you're ready.